Welcome back to 3 Minute Hikes. Today we'll be visiting Granite Mountain near Snoqualmie Pass. For today's hike, we'll be traveling 8.6 miles, climbing 3,800 feet, and topping out at 5,629 feet. The trailhead is located next to I-90, but we'll eventually leave the traffic noise behind. At the 1.2 mile mark, we reach a junction with the Lake Pratt Trail and turn right toward Granite Mountain. The trail steepens as we enter an avalanche chute. We reach a relatively flat meadow just below the lookout tower. Slabs of granite line the trail. The lookout tower is closed, so we enjoy a picnic and the views from beneath the tower. That's all for now. See you next time.